Welcome to our channel Ayakar Kamkar. In this video, we are going to discuss which tax regime super senior citizens need to choose for the assessment year 25-26, financial year 24-25 based on budget 24 updates. For super senior citizens up to Rs 5 lakhs, there is no tax liability under old tax regime. Between 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, it is 20% and above 10 lakhs, it is 30%. Under new tax regime, up to Rs 3 lakhs, there is no tax liability. Between 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs, it is 5%. Between 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, it is 10%. Between 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs, it is 15%. Between 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs, it is 20%. And above 15 lakhs, it is 30%. If the income is 5 lakhs for non-salary taxpayers and 5,50,000 for salary taxpayers, then they should choose old tax regime because the tax liability is nil. If the salary exceeds 5 lakhs, then in this table we have shown under various income heads how much should be the deductions to choose old tax or new tax regime. For example, if the income is 10 lakhs and if the deductions are 2,87,500, then the tax liability is the same under both regimes. So, if you want to choose old tax regime, then the deductions should exceed 2,87,500. Similarly, for 12 lakhs, if the deductions exceed 3,56,250, then you should choose old tax regime. Between incomes 1 crore to 5 crores, if the deductions exceed 4,15,000, then you should choose old tax regime. Otherwise, you can opt for new tax regime. This is for salary taxpayers. You need to understand that the total deductions include standard deduction as well. For Rs 10 lakhs, with the deductions of 2,87,500, 50,000 is the standard deduction and 2,37,500 is the Chapter 6A deductions. Under the new tax regime, standard deduction of Rs 75,000 was taken into consideration. Income tax comparison for non-salary taxpayers. For 10 lakhs income, if the deductions are 2,50,000, the tax liability is the same, which means if the deductions exceed 2,50,000, you can opt for old tax regime. Similarly, for 12 lakhs, if the deductions exceed 3 lakhs, you can opt for old tax regime. And for incomes between 1 crore to 5 crores, if the deductions exceed 3 lakhs 66,650, then you can opt for old tax regime. There are a few exceptions. There are a few deductions which can be claimed under new tax regime, which could change the total perspective. Subscribe to our channel Ayakar Kamkar and mail us at ayakarkamkar@gmail.com for tax consultation. Thank you.